Namaste everyone. When we worship at home or go to temple outside, always put prasad or bhog to God. Just think, really God eats? ये हमारी श्रद्धा होती है कि हम कुछ बनाकर या फिर मार्केट से लाकर भोग लगाते हैं और फिर परिवारजन मिलकर खाते हैं और दूसरों को भी प्रसाद बांटते हैं। ईश्वर निराकार परब्रह्म है, उसके अलग अलग स्वरूपों की हम आराधना करते हैं, लेकिन गीता में कहा गया है कि प्रेम पूर्वक की गई भक्ति से असंभव भी संभव हो जाता है। मंदिरों में भंडारा लगता है, लोग बड़े बड़े आयोजन करते हैं, इस प्रकार कितने गरीबों को खाना मिल जाता है। ऑलवेज there is a cause and effect. God managed food for everyone. I observed many people outside the temple sitting along the road asking for money or food or waiting someone will come, will donate food, money or blanket. Conditions of few ones are very bad. Few are physically disabled, physically challenged, physically handicapped. I don't know exactly the case history of such kind of peoples, why they are in that condition. If you will visit at night, you will find they are sleeping on the road, on corners, on footpath. They are suffering from very tough life. Then I thought, always we are so much blessed. Everyone have a problems can be in any form, financial, educational, relationship and many more, but I think these are not very much important. At least we have working hands and legs, we can think properly, we can have good food, we are living in clean environment. If we will compare our life with them, then feel always thank you so much God for everything, like house, food, water, light, education and many more things required to live happy and healthy life. So try to minimize expectation or problems with others. Always do good and think good for others. Law is giving and receiving. One thing I also observed, when we go out, so many temples on the way, along the road, inside the tree, कहीं भी भगवान की फोटो लगाकर मंदिर बना देते हैं. That is incorrect. श्रद्धा श्रद्धा होती है, but temple should be at proper place. Few with good qualities are better than many. Sometimes I feel it's an insult or disrespect to God. कहीं भी मंदिर बना दिया. I understand if we regularly worship at one place since long time it will have good vibration, but छोटे छोटे इधर उधर काली जी का, हनुमान जी का स्टैचू लगाकर और भी भगवान जी का स्टैचू लगाकर मंदिर बनाना ठीक नहीं है। लेकिन जहाँ मंदिर होता है वहाँ कुछ लोगों को काम भी मिल जाता है, जैसे कि फूल वाला वहाँ पर फूल बेचता है। तो देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट एंड नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट टू, बट आई थिंक the temple should be at proper place. I think making too many temples inside city is not good. It is better to make inside home and try to look essence of God inside themselves and inside others too. Thank you very much.